Neo-Hindutva is not going to protect Hinduism. Neo-Hindutva is more dangerous to Hinduism than the anti-Hindus. Anti-Hindus are enemies, virodhis of Hinduism. Neo-Hindutva is traitors of Hinduism. You need to know Hinduism is greater science. Only then you will revive it rightly. I tell you, operating from Nirvikalpa Samadhi, I just know it is greater science. So I know why the Hindu heritage need to be revived, protected, and how it should be preserved and protected. Preservatives should not make the food poisonous. Preservatives should keep the food without getting destroyed and without becoming poisonous. If you don't know the reason to preserve, the preservatives you add may even make the food into poison. That is what so many new Hindutva people are doing. One of the most happiest thing I feel in my life is the next generation which was getting into the Neo-Hindutva has started realizing what I am saying. You need to know why we need to preserve, protect, revive Hindu heritage. When I am so happy all these people have started realizing Neo-Hindutva is not going to protect Hinduism. Neo-Hindutva is more dangerous to Hinduism than the anti-Hindus. Anti-Hindus are straight enemies, virodhis of Hinduism. Neo-Hindutva is traitors of Hinduism. Soon you will understand. See, I am too ahead of my time. Down the lane, 50 years, down the lane, you will understand. Kailasa is the only place the pure Hinduism is preserved, protected, revived, and in the form of user-friendly. The preservatives Neo-Hindutva is adding to preserve Hinduism is making Hinduism poisonous. Means killing the core of Hinduism. So you can't consume it. You can't eat it. Even if you consume it, you will not be a Hindu anymore. The Neo-Hindutva gang who wants to revive Hinduism, preserve Hinduism, protect Hinduism, their intention is right. I am not questioning their intention, but they do not know why Hinduism should be protected. Hinduism should be protected because it is greater science, not because it is given to you by your forefathers. Because even your forefathers does not know what is Hinduism. I challenge anyone who thinks Tanjore temple is just a symbol and grandeur of our temple building science or the great architectural excellence or our artistic excellence. Anyone thinks Tanjore temple is only that doesn't know Hinduism. Doesn't know Hinduism. You need to know Hinduism is a greater science. And you need to know why Hinduism should be protected. Because it is greater science centered on superconscious. It is greater science centered on superconscious. If you know it is greater science centered on superconsciousness, You will revive it in a right way, preserve it, protect it, revive it in a right way. If you think Tanjore temple is just the symbol of your architectural excellence and artistic excellence, you will try to preserve only that component. Only if you realize it is the manifestation of power manifestation signs of Kailasa, you will start looking for protecting, preserving, reviving that conscious signs, the greater sign. Neo-Hindutva is trying to kill the greater signs, and without giving place to the greater signs, is trying to revive Hinduism's just ordinary human level components. What West understands as religion, equivalent of that. Hinduism as equivalent of that, no doubt. Trying to protect, preserve, revive only that part. You will be just crypto-Hindu. You will be crypto-Hindu. Maybe you will have Sanskrit name, but not Sanskriti. When I see many of the youngsters who would have gone into Neo-Hindutva as the best way to keep the Hindu heritage alive, is realizing my revelations, is giving me the real job satisfaction. If you trust Neo-Hindutva will preserve, protect, revive Hinduism, you are going to be cheated. 50 years down, you will see Kailasa is the only place where the pure original Hinduism is alive, preserved, and it's available in the form where you can consume and enrich yourself and enrich the world with the right context. Many times the preservatives kills the quality of food and makes it poisonous. You eat, gone. Food poison. You need to know why it should be preserved. Only then you will know the alchemistry to preserve and what should be preserved.